In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide a column in Microsoft Lists. Whether you're new to Microsoft Lists or simply need a refresher, we've got you covered with step-by-step guidance. Let's dive in and make sure you can effortlessly manage your lists. First, we'll need to open your web browser. It doesn't matter which browser you prefer. Any of your choices should work just fine. Once your browser is open, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in Microsoft Lists and hit Enter on your keyboard. This will bring up the search results related to Microsoft Lists, making it easy for you to find the official Microsoft Lists web application. When you're on the Microsoft Lists homepage or portal, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on Sign In and enter your Microsoft account credentials when prompted. It's important to ensure you're signed into the right account, especially if you're managing different lists across different platforms or workspaces. Once you've logged in successfully, it's time to open the specific list where you'd like to unhide a column. Navigate through your saved lists and click on the one you're working with. You should now see all your data displayed, with columns and rows that are part of that list. You might notice a small down arrow at the top of any existing column header. This arrow holds the key to managing your column settings. Click on the down arrow and you'll notice a menu appearing. This menu gives us different options to manipulate the column settings. From this menu, choose Column Settings. It's a straightforward option that is usually toward the bottom of the list. After you select it, another sub-menu will present itself. From here, you'll want to select Show Hide Columns. This action opens up the Edit View Columns pane. This pane lists all the columns in your list, both visible and hidden. Your task here is to find the column that you want to make visible again. Take your time to scroll through and locate it. Once found, simply check the box next to the column name. Finally, don't forget to apply your changes. You'll see the Apply button, usually at the bottom of the pane. Clicking Apply will save the changes you've made, and just like that, the previously hidden column will now be displayed in your list. And there you have it, a complete guide to unhide a column in Microsoft Lists. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your lists and keep your data well organized. Thank you for watching, and feel free to incorporate these simple instructions anytime you need to adjust your view settings in Microsoft Lists.